we worked on my steps.
Yep.
And they're beautiful. Did a great job. And said that I wanted to have my basement redone.
Yes.
Actually, the basement.
Rip the carpet.
Rip up the carpet and paint. So I have a spare room down there that I'd like to turn into a guest room.
Okay.
And it has some things that need to be worked on.
Okay.
So we could go look at it.
All right, let's go.
Meet the all-star home talkers. They help you do it yourself so you can create the home you love. These are real people, real projects, real stories. This is DIY Nearby.
So I wanted to use this as a guest room, and as you can see, it has some problems.
Yeah, like what?
Well, being in the basement,
Yeah.
and having that window there, everybody, you can just see right in. Lost some of the molding along the way. Had a hole over here that I fixed with drywall a while ago and didn't fix. And then also the bed. I need a different bed in here. This isn't going to be comfortable for anybody that wants to come and stay over.
All right, so for the walls, we'll sand those smooth, prime them, paint them. We can build you a new bed.
Okay.
And then maybe we can put curtains or something across the closet because doors are kind of expensive. Would you like that?
Yeah.
All right, cool. Well, let's clear out the room and get started.
Okay. So at least I know that when we did the stairs, after we patched the holes in the walls, we had to sand them smooth.
Yes, yes, yeah, you can't paint over this, it's too rough. So
Okay.
yeah, so you're just gonna use like a medium grit sandpaper and just sand.
I'm excited, but I didn't drink Diet Coke. Okay, we got a prime.
Do you remember how to do it?
W.
Yes. Here you go, yay! Let's do that. Okay, so now that the primer's dry, we can paint.
Awesome.
Yeah. So we're gonna make legs for your bed. So all you're gonna do is you're gonna measure 12. So 12 inches is here.
Can I vacuum underneath it at 12? And
Yes.
can I get like one of those little drawers underneath?
I don't know, how big are your drawers?
My little black drawers are
Well, why
like
don't
that
you
high.
go measure your black drawer?
No. Okay.
Go measure your black drawer.
You're smart.
So this button has to get pressed in with your thumb,
Oh,
and then you press this
that's why it didn't
with
work
your
the last
trigger with
time.
your finger. So just
Trigger finger.
Turn it on.
Oh. Woo! That wasn't so bad.
And it's not bad at all. So what we're going to do with these then, Chell, is we're going to take wood glue. We're going to put wood glue on them. We're going to put them together.
Okay.
Then we have 4x4s, so it's much stronger, obviously, than a 2x4.
Okay.
We're going to screw them together. These are going to be the legs of your bed.
I'm not a renter, but if I was a renter and I move and I want to take this bed with me, how hard is it to take apart?
Oh, not hard at all, because all you're going to do is you're going to screw your plywood platform on top. So all you're doing is unscrewing the plywood.
Is it going to be okay to put back together?
Yeah, then
to
you
get
just
to the next place.
Yeah, you just screw it back together. Yeah, and the plywood that I bought is 2 pieces. It's not 1 piece because I couldn't fit it into my vehicle, so I had to get them to cut it apart.
Oh, so it's a double, but it's like
Yeah.
2 like twin size ones almost. Sorta.
Yeah, sorta. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So yeah, it's really going to be easy to use.
So I wanted to have like a beachy theme. So instead of going with a traditional headboard, we bought a bamboo shade, like a roller shade that you would use in your sun porch. And we're gonna hang that up instead. You don't really want the shady part.
We don't need this.
Yeah, the rolly part, okay?
Here. So to hang this up, we're using binder clips. And we're just gonna put them like that, because she has a steel beam in her guest room, because it's the basement.
It's terrible. So, but you can pull the handles out of the binder clips. We're going to use the piece of bamboo that we got off the bottom of this shade, and we're going to attach it to the wall, but we're going to drape it a little bit to make it pretty.
So it's just flat. So there we go. All right. All right, Shelly, we're going to put your curtain rods on your closet because you don't have doors. All right, so I don't know if you have to measure or you can eyeball it. Does it have to be even?
Well, you don't want it to be crooked on the other side, right?
Mm-hmm.
So
make a little, there you go.
Well, can I do this side too first?
Yeah, but I'm just saying you're gonna put it in the middle of the molding.
Is this the middle of the molding?
Oh my gosh, the middle of the molding.
Okay, America, is this straight?
Sure, that looks good.
Okay. Okay, here.
Okay, so we're gonna put film on your window so nobody can look in. All right, so you're just gonna measure the window.
Inside of the window.
Mm-hmm.
So how do you get this off?
You remove this here and it's clingy.
Which side clings?
This side, because this is, you can feel it, It's smooth, this side's rough.
Okay.
So the clingy, the smooth side.
I am very happy with the way the room turned out. It turned out much better than I thought it would. The thing I hated the most about this particular room was the color of the walls. They were a very bright child's blue, and they are now very, very pale peach, which is a much more grown-up and relaxing color. I couldn't have done this without the help of my sister. I didn't have a double bed, and we made a double bed frame. I was able to take the skills that I learned from working on the staircase and apply them to working on the guest room. I do feel like I can have guests over. This is a nice, calming, comfortable space.
I am very proud of her.
I'm proud of my sister too. Thank you.
Good job,
Good
Sissy.
job to you.
Good job, Sissy.
Yay! Okay, night time.
The people, projects, and stories featured on this show come from viewers like you.